UPS driver delivers packages by boat to flood victims. This is what America is all about. Americans have heart here. UPS driver uses a boat to get packages to families before the holidays after fierce winter storm caused severe flooding in Maine. Ryan Long used a boat to deliver packages on Pond Road in Mercer, Maine. A UPS driver was committed to delivering packages in Maine, despite the widespread flooding throughout the state. Jody Churchill shared a photo on Facebook of UPS driver Ryan Long using a boat to make it across a washed-out section of Pond Road in Mercer on December 19th. UPS, whatever it takes. Road washed out doesn't stop presents delivery, Churchill wrote. Long's boat ride comes after a severe wind and rainstorm hit Maine a day earlier. Hundreds of homeowners were left without power, and residents have posted photos and videos on social media of themselves using boats instead of cars. Jody Churchill shared a photo on Facebook of UPS driver Ryan Long using a boat to make it across a washed-out section. Look at this man. This guy deserves a medal. It's got a little flat-bottom boat. There's the American hero right there. Whatever it takes. This guy's Santa Claus. Look at him helping the people get their presents for Christmas. That's just awesome. We need more good stories like this, because this is what America's about, helping people. All right, YouTube. Have a Merry Christmas. Peace.